Hey guys, welcome back. This is Vishal from Pune. So this is the part 4 of 2019 UG series Dominar that videos that I've shot. And in this video, I'm going to be covering the headlight, radiator, whether they're small or big, and few other things like the display, what all has changed in that, uh, and a few other small points. So please do watch it till the end. And if you've missed the first 3 parts, I'll be leaving a link to the videos in the description with small points, what all I've covered in those videos. So do make it a point to watch those. I had almost spent 35 minutes shooting the whole video. I mean, the whole video, if I've put together, was like 35 minutes long. So I decided to break them into 4 parts and then upload them. So do watch it till the end, and if you're new on my channel, please do subscribe, and if you like all the 4 videos, do share them ahead and do give them a big thumbs up. If you have any questions at all regarding all the 4 videos, please do put them in the comments and I'll be glad to answer them at the earliest. The display on the old bike was pretty simple, we didn't have much gear indicators, etc. But the new one is a bit impressive and a bit lacking too. We have the engine kill on here. It shows that the engine kill switch is on. As soon as you turn it off, it shows the other telltales, like the side stand is down. In the older bike, we didn't have a side stand indicator like this, but we had a light glowing on. Now a good feature in this is the gear indicator. So it shows all the gears, and while you're riding, it will also show you, like what is your current fuel efficiency. So in both the trip meters, like we got 2 trip meters here, trip 1, trip 2. Okay, so this trip 1, it will show you how much is your average fuel consumption at that moment. If you have trip 2 set, it will show you that consumption also. So this is a really good point. This can help you control your riding. We already have RPMs to show you like what gear and what RPM you are running, to control, to have the best mileage, and to put the least load on your bike. But now we do have this fuel consumption point, which also helps you to control your ride and get better fuel efficiency from the bike. Now the disappointing part is that it's quite out here, I mean on the secondary display. So while you're riding, this is really low, and if you're wearing a helmet, it is very difficult to have a look at this part while riding. So if at all Bajaj would have given this somewhere out here or here, this would have been really great. I mean, it would have been really useful, because Bajaj is showing this as a power cruiser for touring. We usually have tank bags out here, and with the tank bag on, this will be really difficult to read. I am sure that people might remove this display from here and put it somewhere out here. At least if I was there, I would have done that. I would have removed the complete wiring and put it up here and blocked this up and fill this up with something. If you have a visor, you could also hide it out here. Like in my autolog visor, I've got abundant space out here. I would blacken this out here so that nothing can be seen through, and then put the secondary display here. I'm sure someone will surely copy this idea, and if you do, please do tag me in your video, send me your URL, and I would like to see it. And please do mention that you got this idea from my video and that's where you've copied it from. I'll be really grateful. Now in many review videos, I saw that people have said that the new headlamp is a bit smaller than the old one. Whereas if I look at them both side by side and closely, I do not find much difference in size. I mean, visually I do not see any difference in the size. They look both the same. Aesthetically, they might appear smaller because there are visual changes, like this part now comes in color, whereas we had it in plastic matte black. The left and right cowls on the headlamp had color. Mine original was white, now these are matte black. So that is the only difference I see, but size wise I do not see any difference. Coming to this new tail light, this is also a welcome change. I really love this clear lens tail light compared to the conventional non-clear tail lamp. Okay, this was not a clear tail lamp, but now we have a clear lens tail lamp wherein we have 4 LEDs running from top, 2 on each side inside it. See, 1 here, 2 here, 3 here and 4 here. And when you brake, you see the center light turning on. So when you brake, this is how it turns on. Okay, which is really beautiful. I mean, it looks really nice from far. I really love this part. Maybe we should be able to carry this forward to our bikes as well. Of course, we have a different side stand too, but I really prefer the side stands. One with have the handle coming out here, which is easier for us to take the handle out, take the stand out from its locking position. I mean, it's a personal choice. People might find that slicker, but I find practically that one better. The rear brake reservoir has changed. I'm not sure if the pistons inside also have changed. I can't have a look directly. So unless someone does face the issue with the rear brake piston and in the old bike and gets a new one from Bajaj, purchases a new one, we won't come to know that. But yes, this is a carry forward from KTM. KTMs have square ones. Again, I would say it is a good change because we've got a better visibility out here compared to this one. I mean, it's almost like black oil shown inside, but here we have a better view. It is much more transparent than the old one. I mean, the plastic quality here is a bit different, it seems. I heard on one of the vlogs, where or one of the chats in the groups where it is mentioned that the new Dominar UG has got a bigger radiator. Well, if I physically compare the size with our bikes, the older bikes radiator, I don't feel that there's a big change. It ideally looks the same, the configuration looks same dimension wise. I don't think there's a change in the dimension. The fins too look identical. So I mean, the whole radiator looks identical. The drain pipe, the filler part, everything looks identical when compared to the 2017 or 18 Dominars. I mean, I don't see any change. No, my bike is dirty because I just came back from a big ride recently. I've yet to get it a wash, but making this video was really important for me, so I came straight out here. So guys, that's it from my side. I'll try to add some photographs at the end of the video. But if you found this video helpful in any way, please do make sure to hit the like button. And if you're watching this on my channel for the first time, if you're on my channel for the first time, please do hit the like button. I'm sure to come out with much more videos, much more DIY action from my side. So please do hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and make sure you don't miss any videos out from me. And if you do have any questions on the two bikes, comparing the two bikes, if I've missed any point, do put it in the comment section and I'll try to answer them at the earliest. I might have seen some changes visually, but I might have forgotten to register them now and show it in the video, but I'll surely answer them, or I'll get answers for you and make a new clip and get answers for you at the earliest. So thank you for watching. This is Dipen from Pune for my channel Dipen Nisar Auto Vlogs. A big thank you to Sai Service Wakdewadi in Pune. Thanks to Tushar sir and Somnath sir for arranging this bike for me. Of course, even they are not allowed or given permission to go out, so I had to do the vlog here itself. If I get a chance to make a detailed ride video, I'll surely do that in the near future.